Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a real pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, fed up with life, insecure about your body, feeling unpleasant emotions, feeling like your mind won't be quiet, feeling restless, lonely, depressed, or worried, or perhaps even joyful, reminding you that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, or you can lie down, whichever you like. Simply becoming aware of your posture. Putting distractions to the side. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, witnessing and welcoming thoughts, emotions, sensations, embracing whatsoever is inside, accepting it. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. I'm breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go. Breathing in trust. Exhale, feeling yourself more trusting. Breathing in grounded energy. And exhale, feeling yourself grounded. Breathing in love. And exhale, letting go of fear. Saying goodbye to fear, just for now. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of any anger inside. Breathing in awareness. And exhale, feeling yourself more aware. Breathing in strength. And exhale, feeling yourself strong. Aware of your posture. Every cell in your body breathing in. And every cell in your body breathing out. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale, letting go of the inner critic. saying goodbye to shame, guilt, or frustrations. Saying hello to trust in the unfolding of life as you breathe in. And breathe out. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly. Feeling the breath drop down from the chest into the belly as you breathe into the stomach. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Looking in. Witnessing and welcoming your thoughts. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Returning home to your heart, returning home to your awareness with the sound of the bell. Coming into your body, becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space. The color for today is purple. The animal. Are you ready for it? The animal for today is a tortoise, and the animal that I want you to think about beyond just the tortoise is the hare, reflecting on this old parable about the tortoise and the hare, remembering that slow and steady wins the race. There's no rush in life. If there was a finish line, it would be death. The number for today is a 52. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, let go. Thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, not just for yourself, but for other people, for your circumstance, for the unfolding of your life. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.